Muhammad Ibrahim Abro from Pakistan Administrative Services.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. It is a huge honor and a privilege to be standing here today. In many ways, this is a dream come true for me, and I would like to borrow the words of Theodore Roosevelt to express my feeling, who said, "It is not the critic who counts, not the man who points out how the strong man stumbles, or where the doer of the deeds could have done it better. The credit belongs to the man who is actually in the arena, whose face is marred by dust and sweat and blood, who strives valiantly, who comes short again and again because there is no effort without error and shortcoming, who does actually strive to do the deeds, who knows great enthusiasms, great devotions, who spends himself in a worthy cause, who at the best knows in the end the triumphs of high achievement, and who at the worst, if he fails, at least fails while daring greatly." All of us have worked really hard to be here today. For me personally, the journey was short, yet it was full of trials and challenges. And I would say that it was the blessings of my family and friends, the support and the prayers of my family and friends that have led me to this milestone. And I also remember the words of Paulo Coelho, who says in The Alchemist that if you really want something, the whole of the universe conspires in helping you achieve it. So if you really want to achieve something, I'd say keep working hard and believe in your dream, and surely the universe will conspire to help you get there. Thank you so much.
इनकी हौसला अफजाई के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी मिस्टर हसन यूसुफ जई को. प्लीज स्टेज पे आइए.